Welcome back to the channel, folks. We are back with a new video. Today, we are going to discuss how you can get a payday loan in Illinois. Actually, it is easier than you think. There are already many lending platforms that can give you loans online. Let's discuss all of those lending platforms in our video. To get to the official website of these links, go to the description where you will find the direct links to these official websites. So let's get started. Top 5 Payday Loan Illinois Lenders. Heart Paydays. Heart Paydays is one of the well-known brands in the payday loan market, offering quick approvals and a high rate of acceptance. They offer different types of loan options to residents in Chicago, Illinois, and are known for providing loans without any rejection. However, you need to be eligible to apply at their platform. To be eligible, you need to be at least 18 years old, have a regular monthly income above $1,000, and have a valid checking account. Once you apply on their platform, you will get a decision within minutes, and if approved, the money will typically be in your account the next business day. Low Credit Finance. Next, we have Low Credit Finance. This lending platform focuses on helping those with less than perfect credit scores to get payday loans. They guarantee no denial, ensuring you get the help you need without worrying about your credit history. To qualify, you must meet similar criteria as Heart Paydays, which is being over 18, having a monthly income of over $1,000, a permanent address, etc. The application is super simple on the Low Credit Finance platform. Go to their website, fill out the form, and submit it. You will receive a quick decision, and if approved, funds are usually available by the next business day. Big Buck Loans. Big Buck Loans offers guaranteed approval and no denial payday loans, making them a reliable choice for those needing fast cash in Chicago, Illinois. The eligibility requirements are the same as before, being above the age of 18, stable income source, etc. To apply, you need to visit their website, and funds are usually deposited the next business day. Also, Big Buck Loans also offer great customer service to their borrowers, so you don't have to worry if you go through any issues. Their team will be immediately available to help you get out of those troubles. Green Dollar Loans. Green Dollar Loans is also one of the well-known names in the lending industry that mostly doesn't deny any type of loan applications. They focus on providing quick and easy loans to Chicago residents. Also, the Green Dollar Loans lending platform offers instant decisions, and if approved, you can expect to receive the funds by the next business day. Green Dollar Loans also has a supportive customer service team to guide you through any issues without any worries, making your issues all go away in no time. Viver Payday Loans. Finally, we have the Viver Payday Loans. It is another popular option for payday loans in Illinois, offering no denial loans with guaranteed approval. They cater to residents of Chicago and make sure to give out loans faster and reliably. To be eligible, you need to be 18 years of age, have a stable monthly income source, and also need to be a US citizen. If your application is approved, then the decision of the lender is taken almost immediately, and if that is approved, the funds are deposited as soon as the next business day. You can easily get to their platform and apply for the loan in simple steps. How to apply for a payday loan in Illinois. The application process to apply for a payday loan in Illinois is quite easy and straightforward, as the entire application process is done online. Here is what you should do. First, analyze your present situation. Know what kind of money you need and how much money you can typically get from lending platforms, as well as the interest rates that you can handle, etc. Once you analyze these key inspections, you need to gather all the documents such as your income proofs, identity details, etc. This will greatly help you in the application process at the lending platforms. Now, you need to choose a lending platform based on your present financial situation. According to the money you need, you have to select the lending platform, and you also need to check their approval rates and withdrawal limits, etc. so you get the best rates possible. Go to the selected lending platforms and enter your details and all of our gathered documents. Once the application is approved, you will get connected to a lender, and they will discuss the loan terms and conditions. You need to make sure that the loan agreement aligns with your financial situation. Once you are satisfied, agree to the loan agreement and sign it. In 24 hours, the loan amount will be disbursed into your account. Conclusion. To sum up all the information, even if you are in Illinois, you can still get payday loans from lending platforms easily and quickly. You just need to make sure that you select the right lending platforms, as there are many fake lending platforms that might scam you. We recommend you select the lending platform that we have mentioned in the video. They have low interest rates and high approval rates. To get to the official website of these lending platforms, you can use the direct links given in the description. That's it for today's video. See you again in a new one.